The honey and cinnamon mask is a simple yet effective homemade remedy for acne-prone skin. To make this mask, mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Both honey and cinnamon are known for their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making them an excellent combination for treating acne and promoting clear skin. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it helps draw moisture into the skin, keeping it hydrated. It also contains enzymes and antioxidants that can help to soothe the skin, reduce redness, and promote healing. Cinnamon, on the other hand, has powerful antimicrobial properties that help fight off bacteria, which are often a major cause of acne breakouts. It also stimulates blood flow, which can promote the healing of existing blemishes and improve overall skin texture. To use this mask, simply apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for about 15 minutes. Afterward, rinse off with warm water. This mask can be used 2 to 3 times a week for best results. It not only helps to reduce acne, but also leaves the skin feeling soft, refreshed, and rejuvenated. Regular use may lead to clearer, more radiant skin.